Hello everyone, welcome to Infonet360.com. This is Kiran and this video will explain you how to make one-page resume for you. Basically, one-page resume these days is very important document for every individual who wanted to present themselves in an effective way. So basically, one-page resume is not just important for freshers, job seekers, it is also important for experienced candidate, even students also. Nowadays, every college or institute is asking about your one-page resume to explain or to give you a brief information about you in a document form. So basically, one page resume will give you a nice presentation about you, and you can keep more information in one page itself. So as you can see in the screen on right side, I've given you a template where I have created using Microsoft Word, and I'm going to explain how to make this particular one page resume using Microsoft Word in the following video. Of course, you can download this template, which is right now available in the description below, where you can use that link and you can download this template, and you can use that template to make your own, and you can make some of the editing of those templates, and you can make your wonderful one-page resume. One-page resume, guys, I'm telling you, very important these days to get you into a top list as well as to grab the immediate attention of recruiters. Please click on subscribe button now to get more updates in future. Of course, please don't forget to click on bell icon to get notifications whenever we release new videos for you. Of course, please share this video with your known contacts and spread a word about this particular video, and please help them to make their own resumes. Thank you. Let's start.